Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to use projects in Asana. Projects are the backbone of organizing work in Asana, letting you manage tasks, track progress, and collaborate with your team all in one centralized space. Let's walk through how to navigate and customize your projects effectively. First, click on Home or use the search bar at the top of your Asana workspace to locate an existing project. For example, if you're working on a web redesign project, simply type its name in the search bar or browse through your project list. Once you've found it, click the project name to open it up. This brings you into the project's main workspace where all your tasks and sections live. Now, if you need to rename your project, click directly on the project title at the top of the screen. This makes the title editable, so you can type in a new name and press Enter to save your changes. It's a quick way to keep project names accurate as priorities shift or scopes evolve. Next, look for the drop-down arrow button right next to the project title. Clicking this reveals a menu of project actions like duplicate project, delete project, and several other useful management options. This is where you go when you need to make bigger structural changes to your project setup. Right beside that, you'll see a Set Status button. Click it to update the overall status of your project. You can choose from options like on track, at risk, off track, or on hold. This status indicator is especially helpful for keeping stakeholders informed about project health at a glance. Within your project, you can easily reorganize tasks by dragging and dropping them within or between sections. This flexibility helps you prioritize work dynamically. To mark a task as complete, simply click the check icon on the right side of the task row. It's satisfying and keeps everyone aligned on what's finished. When you need to dive deeper into a task, click on it to open its full detail panel. Here you can edit assigned users, adjust due dates, attach files, or add comments. This is where collaboration really happens, as team members can communicate and update progress in real time. To bring more people into your project, use the Share button in the top right corner. This lets you add collaborators or modify project privacy settings, ensuring the right people have access to the right information. Finally, use the Sort or Filter options in the project toolbar to organize your view. You can arrange tasks by due date, assignee, or custom fields, which helps you focus on what matters most at any given moment. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.